Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Instagram privacy settings to control followers and DMs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once on your profile, locate and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings at the bottom. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. To control who can see your content, switch your account to private by toggling the Private Account option. This will ensure that only approved followers can view your posts and stories. Next, scroll down to the Interactions section. Tap on Comments to manage who can comment on your posts. You can choose to allow comments from everyone, people you follow, or your followers. Return to the Privacy menu and select Messages. Here, you can adjust who can send you direct messages. You can opt to receive messages from everyone, just your followers, or people you follow. If you want to filter unwanted messages, toggle on Filter Requests to separate message requests from your main inbox. After making your selections, return to the Privacy menu and choose Activity Status. You can hide your activity status by toggling off the Show Activity Status option. This prevents others from seeing when you are online. Finally, review your follower list by tapping your profile and selecting Followers. Here, you can remove any followers who you no longer wish to have access to your account. Once you have made your adjustments, exit the settings. Your Instagram privacy settings are now customized to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.